Okay, this is just a rundown of these wheel chocks I bought. They're Sporty's steel folding airplane wheel chocks. All right, so let's just go around here and check these guys out real quick. Okay, I bought these collapsible airplane wheel chocks from Sporty's Pilot Shop. And so this is a picture of Sporty's Pilot Shop in Claremont County, just outside of Cincinnati, Ohio. And I'm going to use it for my motorcycle. They measure like 5 inches this way, 3.5 inches tall, and about 3.5 or 3.25 inches wide. I like them because they're yellow. I'm going to use them for my motorcycle, my Triglide, when it's up on my car lift. Even though it's in gear and the park brake is on, I'm going to put these behind the wheel. And I like them because they're yellow, and I'll be able to see them, so I'll know how to take them off, take them away from the wheels when I get ready to leave. Okay, so here they are. Just got the rubber on the bottom that prevents them from sliding back and forth. It's pretty solid stuff. And they collapse like so for storage, I suppose. But and they got a little lip underneath here. You can't quite see it to prevent this thing from opening and closing. But yeah, it works real good. I'm real happy with it. Like I said, even though I have the emergency brake on and the in gear, these will just added extra peace of mind for me. Okay, that does it for Sporty's steel folding airplane wheel chocks.